Okay, hello guys. Happy Friday. Why half of the class is not here? I don't know. Uh, guys, I'm a bit, not to say a bit, okay, I'm sick today, so I might not sound very energetic. I might not sound very good. I might not sound normal. Okay. I'm down with this very annoying flu that has been going on for days. Maybe I'm just a little bit overworked. Didn't sleep well and recipe for getting sick. Okay, so please bear with my voice. Please bear with my please bear with my lack of energy. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Yuri, I sent you the replacement video last week. Hope you are okay. Hope you got it. Okay. So where were you last week? You off for holiday? Okay. So let's go to our astronomy today. Okay. Let's finish this and let's finish this note for good. We are going to our July notes later. So I hope you have that prepared. Okay, so anyway, yeah, we were just talking about this thing. Okay, so we used to think that the Earth is not moving. Planets or stars, they go around us, but that is not true. Earth actually goes around the sun. Okay, and the stars, they actually don't move. We just move, so it looks like they are moving. Okay, so this is what we call the geocentric model. Okay, so geo means Earth centric means middle. Okay, so geocentric model. And then this geocentric model is actually not correct. It is incorrect. Because sometimes we see Mercury and Venus at dawn, sometimes we see them at sunset. You see, it doesn't make sense. If they go around us, they should keep appearing at the same time. Okay? If they just keep running here and there, that means we go around them instead. If you think about it. Alright. So this guy named Copernicus, okay, he was the first guy that says that Earth and planets actually goes around the sun instead of the sun going around us. All right, and his model is called what we call a heliocentric model. Okay, helio being the sun. Okay, hello Junfeng, how are you? Okay, so geocentric and heliocentric. Okay, geocentric, heliocentric. So geo means the Earth being in the middle. Helio means the sun being in the middle. So turns out he is correct. He was correct. Okay, he was correct. Copernicus was correct, and his theory was supported by none other than Galileo. Okay, the very famous Galileo. He invented the telescope and he proved this point. All right, Galileo was the first person to use a telescope to look at the moon and the stars. Galileo discovered that Jupiter had 4 moons orbiting it. This showed that not everything had orbits to the Earth. Right, so he actually proved that no, not everyone goes around Earth. Okay, it's not. So Galileo was the first person to use a telescope to look at the moon and the stars. Galileo discovered that, oh yeah, we've done this. Many people were unhappy with the ideas of Copernicus and Galileo, especially the Catholic Church. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Okay, why? What do you ask? Okay, so everyone was very unhappy with them, especially the Catholic Church, because the Catholic Church believes that Earth is special. They are in the middle. Okay, but they say no. Right? No, it is not. The church, these two, they say it's not. Okay. Hi, Isabel. How are you? Okay. So, we were here, 26 from last week. So these two guys, they actually go against the church. They went against the church, saying that no, as much as you want to believe geocentric, it is not true. Everything doesn't revolve around Earth. Okay, whereas we go around the sun. That is the truth. Okay, so for 4 centuries have passed since Galileo first looked at the sky through his telescope. In that time, astronomers have many interesting discoveries about the universe. So they discovered Uranus and Neptune. They discovered the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Remember, our four big brothers, and the 4 small brothers. That's the asteroid belt in between. They discovered that the sun is just one of the stars that make up the Milky Way, right? It's a very good, it's a very big galaxy we are in. Okay, a galaxy is made up of many billions of stars clustered together in space. They discovered that there are many billions of galaxies in space, right? So, like I said, the universe, galaxy is just a tiny dot in it. All right, and in a galaxy, our solar system is just a dot on it, and Earth, sorry, solar system is just a dot in the galaxy in the Milky Way, and then Earth is just a dot in the solar system, and you are just a dot on Earth, right? So it's really, really, really small. The one from last week, the one from last week, the one from last week because I haven't finished. I'll finish this real quick, and we'll go to July notes. Okay, so this is the correct one. This is actually the wrong one. Okay, we believe in this for many, many, many years, thinking that Earth is special. So no, Earth is actually not special. Earth just goes around the sun just like any other planet. You see, guys, last time, people get punished for the wrong reason. Guys, did you know that during the Dark Ages, where people were very, very superstitious about Christianity, right? Where people were very crazy about Christianity. If you write using left hand, I mean, some of us write using left and some of us write using the left hand and right hand, right? And if you write using the left hand, you are considered as a witch. You are practicing witchcraft, which they will pin you to a cross and burn you to death. Right? So yeah. Guys, the Bible is just a human written book. It's a storybook anyway. It's just a reason for people to write whatever shit they want and do whatever shit they want. Okay, guys, go and read the Bible. You know what I mean. It's I'm sorry to say, but it's full of shit, right? Uh, just you can read it, but just take it with a pinch of salt, right? Because the Catholic Church believed Earth was in the center. The Church was so sure that Earth is in the center, right? Turns out no, you can't argue with math and science. Math and science said sun is in the middle, right? Argue all you want, okay? Science doesn't give a shit what you think, okay? Read my cover, guys. Read my cover. My cover says that, okay? Whether you believe in science or not, it is always true. Okay, I have a quote there. Okay, so guys, are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Are you guys cool? Where's the other three? Happy cool, yeah, thank you. Where is Yufeng? Yufeng is not here. Where is Yunhan? Who else? Who else? There's one more, right? I'm getting really sick. Okay, guys, hope that I can pull through this class. I'm kind of sick. Okay, so let's look at our galaxy. So this thing that looks like an oval is your elliptical. Okay, and then the spinny one is called spiral, and the Chincai one is called irregular. Oh, if I went to Thailand, I see. Okay, you're in shopping mall. Which shopping mall you're in? Which mall you're in? Oh, you went to Thailand. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Why is everyone going to Thailand? Cheap ma, cheap ma, flight cheap, accommodation cheap, spending cheap. Yeah, I'm going there next year too. Because it's cheap ma. You know what? You know why people don't go to Singapore? You know why people don't go to Singapore? Because Malaysia we are poor AF lah. Right? Let's face it lah. You go Singapore everything times 3 you very yok tech one. So Thailand is the only way. I mean, where else could you go? If you want something near, but it's not Malaysia and cheap, name me a better place than Thailand. You see, you want to go Indonesia? You want to go Indonesia? I've been to Indonesia. I've been to Philippines. Trust me, it sucks. I'm sorry to say that, but it sucks. Jakarta was a havoc. Jakarta was a havoc. Okay, the traffic is a havoc. Everyone is a havoc. Philippines was havoc number 2. Philippines was havoc number 2. I cannot stand the traffic. I appreciate Malaysia traffic so much when I come back. Jakarta, oh no, it's not the same, Isabel. It's not the same. Okay, put it in words, put it simply, guys. Do you know what's the population of Malaysia? Do you know how many people are in Malaysia? What's the number of Malaysian? How many people is in Malaysia? Guys, Malaysia population is less than 30 million. Okay, 30 million. Okay, 30 million with an M, 30 million. Is it 33? Oh, is it? The last time I checked was 30, less than 30. Okay, anyhow, no matter. Guys, Jakarta has that same amount alone. The population of Jakarta is the population of Malaysia. So, guys, imagine you cram every Malaysian into KL. That's how Jakarta is. Right? It was a shit storm when I went there. I didn't know that traffic can get this havoc. KL is bad enough. Really? Isn't Thailand worse? I've been to Thailand. The traffic is worse. Jakarta is even worse. Philippines is not as bad, but it's still worse. Yeah. So you see, guys, besides Singapore, Malaysia has one of the best traffic already. So don't complain. Don't complain. I was in Thailand too, and the traffic is driving me absolutely nuts. Okay. Anyway, so B, mark for the correct answer, correct statement, and mark for the incorrect statement. Our sun is located in the center of the Milky Way. It is not. Our Milky Way is at the side of the. Sorry, our solar system is at the side of the Milky Way. Okay, not the middle. Spiral galaxies contain hot young stars. Okay, every galaxy has hot young stars. Okay, galaxies are classified based on the distance from Earth. No, they're not. They are classified based on their shape. Okay, the Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy. Yes, it is. Okay, Milky Way is actually spiral. If you view from the top, if you view from the side, it looks like a bar. Okay, dead in your throat. Why you having sore throat? You having sore throat? Oh yay, we sore throat gang. My throat is almost recovered, but now I'm coughing already. Did you catch that from last week? Last week you went away, right, Yuri? Did you catch your infection there? Oh god, I hate being sick. Okay, next C. What is a luminous ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity? That is your star. Okay, the nearest star to the Earth is the Sun. Okay, I'm cold sweating as I speak, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really unwell. So number 3A. Sorry, 3. What is a group of stars? Galaxy is a group of stars, dust, and gases held together by gravity. The what is a spiral galaxy? That is gonna be our Milky Way. It's a chocolate bar, by the way. You cough until you puke, really? Hope you feel better. Hope you feel better. So next, number 8. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. Scientists have classification of galaxies as shown. Right? They are classified according to shape. So R, S, and T. R is irregular. They have no fixed shape there. And S is an elliptical. And T is a spiral. You have a spinny boy, you have a roundy boy, and a don't know what is this boy. Okay, so C1, we are in a solar system that comes from a spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. Okay, so number 2, name one galaxy of the same type with the galaxy mentioned in 1. So it's gonna be your, wait. Oh, they not teach this, it's okay then. Besides the Milky Way, then it's okay. Okay, so this is our Milky Way again. Describe the shape of the Milky Way from the side view. It is barred, looks like a bar, sort of, looks like a baguette. So what is the diameter of the Milky Way? Okay, this one not our interest. Where is the position of the sun? Okay, the position of the sun is B. We are located at one of the side, one of the wings of the Milky Way. Okay, who else is not here today? Someone is missing today. Okay, hi Yunhan, how are you? Good evening. So we have Yufeng missing and oh, we have Emma missing too. I see. Okay. Now I remember. How are you? Why are you so late? Be early lah, Yunhan. Okay. So if you can lah, next time. Okay, is our solar system a static object in one place? No. Okay, because our solar system orbits the Milky Way. Okay, we actually go around the Milky Way. All 9 of us. Okay, the sun, okay, Mercury, Venus, Mars, and we all just go around. You guys come back from school. Oh, I see. Okay, it's okay then. Yeah, everyone is missing, and I don't know where Emma is. Okay, so guys, let's finish this. Let's finish this if we can. Label planet R. Planet R is our Uranus. Wait. Yeah, Uranus. Okay, because Neptune is here. Okay, name belt P. P is your asteroid belt. Okay, explain how the phenomena stated in A1 occurs. In A1. E1. You know what? We skip this. Okay, we just have to name the asteroid belt. Yeah, this Uranus thing will never end. I get the same job every year. Okay, so meteoroid, like I said last week, meteoroid is a small rock. Remember? Meteoroid is a small rock. Asteroid is a big rock. Okay, so meteoroid is known as a falling star. And comet is a burning ice. It's an ice on fire. I know it makes no sense, but that's the way it is. Okay, so number 10, okay, this is what they give you. And this is the mass and the radius and the density and the surface temperature. Okay, guys, fun fact, you see Saturn is so less dense. Water's density is actually 1. Water's density is actually 1. So technically speaking, if you have a basin of water big enough, Saturn can actually float on water. Crazy, crazy, Saturn can actually float on water because they're very lightweight. So which planet has the highest mass? Who is the biggest boy here? Is of course going to be Jupiter. Jupiter is a very chunky boy. Okay, but sir, why are they so heavy? Why is Jupiter so heavy but their density so low? Because they are very big in size. Okay, so you see the densest planet is actually Earth. Okay, we are the densest. Isn't Jupiter air? Yeah, Jupiter is air. Jupiter is not to say air, gas. Jupiter is a gas. Okay, Jupiter is a gas. Right? Isabel, do you mean how do they measure this? How is this the highest mass? Yeah, 27 what? See, 1.90. Oh, you guys haven't learned this, huh? You guys haven't learned this? 27 means you have 27 zeros behind. 23 means you have 23 zeros behind. So the higher the number here, so the heavier they are. You guys know this is math? Gas is heavier than water. Gas is not heavier than water, but gas is less dense than water. Okay, guys, do not confuse mass and density. It's two different things. Mass is how heavy you are. Density is whether you float or sink. You see, Titanic is very heavy, but they still float on water because the density is low. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? And a rock, a small stone, let's say the stone is like 500 grams. I don't care how small the stone is, how light the stone is, it will still sink in water. It's lightweight, but it's less. The density is high. That's what they think. Am I making sense here? Okay, am I making sense here? So Jupiter is the heaviest. The largest planet, also Jupiter. The densest is Earth. Okay, two planets that has almost the same size. We just look at the radius. Who is almost the same size? You can say Venus and Earth. Yeah, Venus and Earth. Okay, Venus and Earth. E, name the planets which are made up of gas. The planets which is the last four lah. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, 4 planets here. So F, name the terrestrial or rocky planets in our rock system. Okay, so that would be the first 4. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay, the first 4. Okay, next 11. What is a comet? A comet, like I said, is a burning ice. Okay, you see ice here, you know. Meteoroid is a small rock, small fragment of rocks. Okay, meteoroids that enter Earth atmosphere and reach the surface are called meteorite. If you come across one, maybe it is worth something. Okay, so number 2, comet's tail is always opposite the sun. That means if the sun is here, comet's tail is always behind. Okay, because of the solar wind. You know what's the solar wind? Guys, you know what's the solar wind? Solar wind is the radiation of the sun blowing. Okay, not just like our normal wind, but it's a solar wind. This is actually quite dangerous. Oh, you know, solar wind is actually very dangerous. Okay, so to protect Earth from the solar wind, we actually have our own magnetic field. We call it the magnetosphere. Okay, we are blocking away the radiation. Yeah, everything is space can kill you, exactly. My nose is killing me right now. Okay, number 12. Body A and body B. Okay, A is your asteroid. And B is your comet. So B, where in the solar system is body A usually found? It is between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, between Mars and Jupiter. No, there won't be. You're right, there won't be. There won't be. Nobody gives a shit anymore. Yeah. Okay, C. State the similarity and difference between both of the body. Okay, similarity, they are both in space. Both are bodies in space. Difference, A is a rock. B is made of ice and dust. Okay, so D, give an example of object B that has been seen crossing Earth. You have your Halley's Comet. Okay, like I said, 76 years once. 26, was it 76? 20 something years once lah. So E, between meteor and meteorite, which would you most likely find in a museum? Of course, it's gonna be a meteorite. Okay, because meteorite reaches Earth's surface. Meteor is flying. Okay, meteor is flying. Okay, meteorite is the one that touches the surface. Okay, you see, meteoroid is outside space. Meteor is coming in. Meteorite is the one that reaches Earth's surface. Yes. Okay, so guys, anyway, that's it for our chapter 11. We have officially finished our syllabus. Yay! Okay, so what's coming next is gonna be a revision. We'll be doing revision for 3 months, maybe. Okay, which is in your August, September, October. We'll be doing revision. Okay, tons and tons of revision. And once you finish your exam, we can go to year 8 already. Okay, guys, we have a lot of revision to do. Oh, how are you? Oh, Isabel, no, you're not old. You're the you guys are like you guys are still like sperm to me. You guys are like sperm to me. Okay, so guys, can you please go to this? Do you have your July notes? Do you have your July notes? Okay, do you have a July notes? Okay, guys, I will need to go off to clean my nose and take some painkiller because I'm dying already here. Okay, can I give you some homework? I'll give you the answer later. Okay, can you please try question 1, 2, 3? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 for now. Okay, question 1, 2, 3 for now. You threw it away. Hello. Why did you throw it away? Are you for real? Are you for real? Oh my god. Oh, you found it. You don't make me come to your house and slap you. Come to your house and slap you. Okay, yeah, it's the end of July, I know. Okay, we actually dragged around for too long already. Okay, so guys, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I will switch off my cam for. Is 20 minutes enough? Is 20 minutes enough? You can refer to your previous notes, but try not to. Try to do it yourself. Okay, because this is a revision. Just as a reminder, this is a revision. Please keep it a revision. Keep it a useful revision. Okay. Okay. So guys, I will see you in 20 minutes. Okay. Please do it right now. Please do it right now. Anyone here don't have this? I'm sure everyone has. You should get this in July already. Okay. I thought I can finish this earlier 1 week and we can start this earlier 1 week. But hey, it's okay. It is what it is. Right. So see you in 20 minutes.